We are going to learn about a concept called as memory. Memory is an important component in the computer. It stores data and information. Computer memory is being classified into two types, that is primary memory and secondary memory. We will learn what is primary memory and secondary memory, its uses and types. How does CPU uses these memory? How they are different from each other. There are two types of memory, that is primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory, it is also known as internal memory, main memory, it is a temporary memory and it is directly connected to the CPU. Its access is faster, limited storage capacity it has, and the cost is high. The primary memory is being classified into RAM and ROM. Secondary memory is not directly connected to the CPU, uses input-output channel to retrieve information, takes more time to read or write than primary memory. It is a non-volatile memory. It retains data even after the power supply is removed, stores data permanently. It is cheaper compared to the primary memory, usually have high capacity than primary memory. It is slower to read or write compared to primary memory. Secondary storage devices. The secondary storage device are hard disk and the floppy disk. Semiconductor based devices are flash drive and pen drive. Optical storage based devices are CD-ROMs and DVDs. Okay, let us see the primary storage. That is being classified into two types, that is RAM and ROM, random access memory and read-only memory. RAM, random access memory. Random access memory, it is a temporary stores computer data. RAM versus ROM. RAM is volatile memory. It temporarily stores data. ROM is a non-volatile memory. It is a permanent memory. ROM. ROM contains important system files and performs major I/O tasks. Different types of ROM. It's a mask ROM. PROM. PROM is a programmable ROM. Can be programmed only once. It cannot be erased. The next ROM is EPROM. That is erasable, programmable, read-only memory. The data can be erased. The next ROM is EEPROM. That is erasable. It is electrically erasable, the data, and it can be programmed again. It can be erased and programmed 10,000 times. RAM is being classified into two types, that is SRAM and DRAM. SRAM is static RAM and DRAM is dynamic RAM. Okay, let us see DRAM. DRAM is a dynamic RAM. It consists of capacitors and transistors. It has to be refreshed again and again. Static RAM. No need to be refreshed. So SRAM is faster than DRAM. SRAM is used in creating CPU cache memory. DRAM is mostly used cheaper and higher capacity. DRAM, that is classified into SDRAM, RDRAM, DDR, SDRAM. DDR SDRAM, that is double data rate synchronized dynamic random access memory. Again, it has got different types of DDR RAMs. DDR4 is the fastest. Another type of memory is cache memory. It stores data which are frequently used. It is very small in size and it is faster.